how can we animate a value in SwiftUI? As you can see from the onboarding view of my app, that everything kind of fades in, and this only happens the first time the viewer sees both of the screens. If we just go back and forth after the first time, then nothing is animated. So the logic of this basically consists of an @state variable, and I have a .on appear on my view, a with animation .ease in duration of 1 second inside of it, and I set the opacity tab 1 value to 1 instead of the 0.1 that it starts off at. And you'll also notice that I have a .opacity modifier on my entire VStack. So what this basically means is that when the view appears on the screen, the opacity value is going to go from 0.1 to 1, and this action is going to be animated because it's inside of that with animation. I have the exact same thing on my second screen, and the reason that it doesn't happen when the user goes back and forth again is because once that value is set to 1, it doesn't go back to 0.1. But I can actually easily change this by just adding a .on disappear, and when it disappears, I'll set the value to 0.5 instead of 0.1 so that the animation is just more gradual if somebody's going back and forth a lot. And after that, if I relaunch my app, you can see that now if somebody goes back and forth, all the elements kind of still fade onto the screen. Happy coding!